AP, Las Vegas. According to a statement made by CEO Ed Bastian on Thursday at the CES Technology Trade Show, starting in February, Delta Airlines will offer free Wi-Fi on the majority of its domestic flights. According to Bastian, T-Mobile will install high-speed, satellite-based broadband service on more than 700 airplanes by the end of the year. By the end of 2024, it intends to add complimentary Wi-Fi to international and Delta connection flights. The service will make use of Viasat's hardware, a satellite internet provider based in the United States. It's always struck me that we fly to connect, Bastian said in an interview with the Associated Press. But we disengage while we're in the air. People want to be connected, thus the inability of airlines to connect in the air is something that Bastian believed needed to be addressed. He added that the pandemic-related shutdowns in 2020, when the majority of the airline's aircraft were grounded, hastened the implementation of the $1 billion project. To utilize the Wi-Fi service, customers must have a SkyMiles frequent flyer account, which they may sign up for free. The amount of passengers' gadgets that can connect to the in-flight Wi-Fi is unrestricted. Beginning on February 1st, the complimentary service will be available on more than 500 aircraft. Following Southwest Airlines' decision to cancel 15,000 flights around Christmas and leave holiday passengers stranded across the United States, Delta made its statement at CES. Bastian noted that Delta has been investing in its scheduling system for many years but declined to comment on his rival's problems. And we're always working to make it easier for crews to effectively communicate with the aircraft, he added.